Questions number 1. Which process do green plants use to prepare their own food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Transpiration. D. Fermentation. Answer. B. Photosynthesis. Questions number 2. Photosynthesis mainly occurs in which cell organelle? A. Mitochondria. B. Nucleus. C. Chloroplast. D. Ribosome. Answer. C. Chloroplast. Questions number 3. Which pigment is essential for photosynthesis? A. Hemoglobin. B. Chlorophyll. C. Carotene. D. Melanin. Answer. B. Chlorophyll. Questions number 4. Plants that prepare their own food are called A. Heterotrophs. B. Autotrophs. C. Parasites. D. Saprophytes. Answer. B. Autotrophs. Questions number 5. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Methane. Answer. B. Oxygen. Questions number 6. What is the main source of energy for photosynthesis? A. Water. B. Sunlight. C. Oxygen. D. Soil. Answer. B. Sunlight. Questions number 7. The raw materials for photosynthesis are A. Oxygen and glucose. B. Carbon dioxide and water. C. Glucose and starch. D. Nitrogen and oxygen. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide and water. Questions number 8. Which part of the plant mainly absorbs water for photosynthesis? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Root. D. Flower. Answer. C. Root. Questions number 9. Which structure in leaves allows exchange of gases? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Stomata. D. Cuticle. Answer. C. Stomata. Questions number 10. Glucose prepared in photosynthesis is stored in plants as A. Protein. B. Starch. C. Fat. D. Vitamin. Answer. B. Starch. Questions number 11. Which type of nutrition is shown by green plants? A. Saprophytic. B. Autotrophic. C. Parasitic. D. Holozoic. Answer. B. Autotrophic. Questions number 12. The parasitic plant that grows on big trees and absorbs food is A. Cuscuta. B. Mushroom. C. Neem. D. Mango. Answer. A. Cuscuta. Questions number 13. Plants that feed on insects are called A. Parasites. B. Insectivorous plants. C. Saprophytes. D. Autotrophs. Answer. B. Insectivorous plants. Questions number 14. Example of an insectivorous plant is A. Cuscuta. B. Sunflower. C. Pitcher plant. D. Algae. Answer. C. Pitcher plant. Questions number 15. Which tissue transports water in plants? A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Stomata. D. Guard cells. Answer. B. Xylem. Questions number 16. Which tissue transports food in plants? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cork. D. Cambium. Answer. B. Phloem. Questions number 17. The process by which green plants make their own food is also called A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Germination. D. Transpiration. Answer. B. Photosynthesis. Questions number 18. Which factor is not necessary for photosynthesis? A. Light. B. Water. C. Oxygen. D. Carbon dioxide. Answer. C. Oxygen. Questions number 19. The opening and closing of stomata is controlled by A. Guard cells. B. Root hairs. C. Phloem. D. Xylem. Answer. A. Guard cells. Questions number 20. Plants that get nutrients from dead and decaying matter are called A. Parasites. B. Saprophytes. C. Autotrophs. D. Insectivores. Answer. B. Saprophytes. Question number 21. Example of a saprophytic plant is A. Mushroom. B. Rose. C. Neem. D. Mango. Answer. A. Mushroom. Question number 22. What is the byproduct of photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Water. Answer. A. Oxygen. Question number 23. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Sulfur dioxide. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide. Question number 24. The green pigment of plants is A. Chlorophyll. B. Hemoglobin. C. Xanthophyll. D. Anthocyanin. Answer. A. Chlorophyll. Question number 25. What is the mode of nutrition in fungi? A. Autotrophic. B. Saprophytic. C. Parasitic. D. Symbiotic. Answer. B. Saprophytic.
Question number 26. The process of synthesis of food in plants occurs in which part of the leaf? A. Epidermis. B. Mesophyll cells. C. Guard cells. D. Cuticle. Answer B. Mesophyll cells. Question number 27. Symbiotic association of algae and fungi is called A. Mycorrhiza. B. Lichen. C. Saprophyte. D. Parasite. Answer B. Lichen. Question number 28. Nitrogen fixing bacteria found in root nodules of legumes are A. Lactobacillus. B. Rhizobium. C. Clostridium. D. Streptococcus. Answer B. Rhizobium. Question number 29. Which mineral nutrient is essential for chlorophyll synthesis? A. Iron. B. Magnesium. C. Potassium. D. Calcium. Answer B. Magnesium. Question number 30. Photosynthesis produces food in the form of A. Protein. B. Glucose. C. Fat. D. Vitamin. Answer B. Glucose. Question number 31. The site of photosynthesis in a plant cell is A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Chloroplast. D. Mitochondria. Answer C. Chloroplast. Question number 32. Which part of the plant is called food factory? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Root. D. Flower. Answer B. Leaf. Question number 33. Which organelle is known as the kitchen of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Chloroplast. C. Mitochondria. D. Ribosome. Answer B. Chloroplast. Question number 34. Which plant traps and digests insects for nitrogen? A. Cuscuta. B. Pitcher plant. C. Neem. D. Mango. Answer B. Pitcher plant. Question number 35. The main function of phloem is A. Transport of water. B. Transport of food. C. Photosynthesis. D. Storage of starch. Answer B. Transport of food. Question number 36. Which type of nutrition is seen in mucor, a fungus? A. Autotrophic. B. Saprophytic. C. Parasitic. D. Symbiotic. Answer B. Saprophytic. Question number 37. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into A. Heat energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Electrical energy. D. Mechanical energy. Answer B. Chemical energy. Question number 38. Which is the first product of photosynthesis? A. Starch. B. Glucose. C. Protein. D. Cellulose. Answer B. Glucose. Question number 39. Which plant does not have chlorophyll? A. Mushroom. B. Sunflower. C. Maize. D. Mango. Answer A. Mushroom. Question number 40. Venus flytrap is an example of A. Autotrophic plant. B. Saprophytic plant. C. Insectivorous plant. D. Parasitic plant. Answer C. Insectivorous plant. Question number 41. In which form is extra food stored in plants? A. Protein. B. Starch. C. Fat. D. Vitamin. Answer B. Starch. Question number 42. Which gas is essential for respiration in plants? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer A. Oxygen. Question number 43. The food conducting tissue of plants is A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Cork. D. Cambium. Answer A. Phloem. Question number 44. The water conducting tissue of plants is A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cambium. D. Pith. Answer A. Xylem. Question number 45. The small pores on leaves for gas exchange are called A. Lenticels. B. Stomata. C. Chloroplasts. D. Guard cells. Answer B. Stomata. Question number 46. Plants use sunlight to make food. This mode of nutrition is called A. Autotrophic. B. Heterotrophic. C. Saprophytic. D. Parasitic. Answer A. Autotrophic. Question number 47. The process opposite to photosynthesis is A. Transpiration. B. Respiration. C. Germination. D. Fermentation. Answer B. Respiration. Question number 48. Which element is not essential for photosynthesis? A. Carbon. B. Magnesium. C. Oxygen. D. Sodium. Answer D. Sodium. Question number 49. Cuscuta is A. Partial parasite. B. Total parasite. C. Saprophyte. D. Autotroph. Answer B. Total parasite. Question number 50. Which plant is known as a total parasite on other plants? A. Lichen. B. Mushroom. C. Cuscuta. D. Neem. Answer C. Cuscuta.